Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic I know you guys are super curious about: how to get that slim, toned physique you've always wanted. We all know those weight loss journeys can feel like an uphill battle, filled with complicated diets and grueling workouts. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. I'm here to break it down into 5 simple, easy-to-follow tips that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. No more crash diets, no more spending hours at the gym, just simple, effective changes that will make a world of difference. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a slimmer you and achieve your dream body, grab a bottle of water, get comfy, and let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about hydration. We all know water is essential for life, but did you know it's also your secret weapon for weight loss? That's right, drinking plenty of water throughout the day is absolutely crucial if you're looking to slim down. Why? Because water acts like an internal cleanser, flushing out toxins and impurities that can build up in your body. It also gives your metabolism a boost, helping your body burn calories more efficiently, even when you're just sitting on the couch. And the best part? Water acts as a natural appetite suppressant. Often when we think we're hungry, we're actually just thirsty. So before you reach for that bag of chips, try drinking a large glass of water first. You might be surprised at how quickly those cravings disappear. Next up, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, food, and more specifically, vegetables. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Vegetables, really? But trust me on this one, guys. Vegetables are your secret weapon for getting that slim physique. Think of vegetables as nature's calorie-saving magic trick. They're packed with fiber, which is like a superhero for your digestive system. Fiber keeps things moving along smoothly, prevents bloating, and helps you feel full and satisfied after meals. And because vegetables are naturally low in calories, you can eat a ton of them without feeling guilty. So, load up your plate with colorful veggies like broccoli, spinach, carrots, bell peppers. The more, the merrier. You'll be getting all the nutrients your body needs to thrive while keeping those extra pounds at bay. Chapter 3, Get Moving. Now let's talk about exercise. And no, you don't need to spend hours at the gym every day to see results. Even small amounts of movement can make a huge difference when it comes to slimming down and toning up. The key is to find activities you genuinely enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Love dancing? Put on your favorite playlist and have a dance party in your living room. Enjoy being outdoors? Go for a brisk walk, a hike in nature, or a bike ride with friends. And don't forget about strength training. Incorporating bodyweight exercises or lifting weights a couple of times a week will help build lean muscle mass, which in turn will boost your metabolism and help you burn even more calories at rest. Remember, consistency is key. Chapter 4, Prioritize your sleep. Now, let's move on to a topic that is often overlooked when it comes to weight loss: sleep. That's right, getting enough sleep is absolutely crucial if you're serious about slimming down. Think of sleep as your body's reset button. When you don't get enough shut-eye, your hormones get all out of whack. Your appetite increases, your metabolism slows down, and your body starts craving sugary, fatty foods for a quick energy boost. Not exactly a recipe for weight loss success, right? So make it a priority to aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every single night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, put away your electronics, maybe take a warm bath or read a book. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Say goodbye to sugary drinks. And finally, let's talk about something we all know deep down, but sometimes need a little reminder about: sugary drinks. Sodas, juices, fancy coffees loaded with syrups and whipped cream. These are all hidden calorie bombs that can sabotage your weight loss efforts faster than you can say sugar rush. The problem with sugary drinks is that they provide empty calories, meaning they offer no nutritional value whatsoever. They spike your blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and cravings. And over time, all those extra calories from sugary drinks add up, leading to unwanted weight gain. So what's the solution? Ditch the sugary drinks and opt for healthier alternatives like water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. Your body and your waistline will thank you for it. Outro, you've got this. And there you have it. 5 simple, easy-to-follow tips to help you unlock the secrets to a slimmer you. Remember, achieving your dream body isn't about quick fixes or extreme diets. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can stick with for the long haul. So start by incorporating one or two of these tips into your daily routine and gradually work your way up. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and most importantly, celebrate every small victory along the way. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips. See you next time.